Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's video, I will be unboxing my Darn Good Yarn box for the month of April. The Darn Good Yarn box is a subscription service that you can get monthly. There are different tiers that you can buy, and I have the $10 tier. The $10 tier comes with one thing of yarn and then one mystery item. This video is not sponsored in any way. I buy this every month with my own money, and all of my opinions are my own. I did a full roundup of all of my 2020 boxes, and I will have that review listed down below if you would like to see a whole year's worth of these Darn Good Yarn boxes. At the end of this year, 2021, I am going to do another roundup review of all the boxes that I got. So let's go ahead and open my April box. This bright yellow is so cute. I love how vibrant it is. Oh, I love the yarn already. Alright, well, this is the first thing I'm seeing. Oh, that's so adorable. You can make a little strawberry keychain. That's so cute. This is the second kit that I've got where you can like make your own little stuffy, and it's so freaking cute. I have not even made my first one yet because I'm not very good at making these. It's just really hard for me to do stitches that are very small. Mine come out looking all wonky, so I don't like to do them, but if I had more practice, I probably would like it more. I just haven't done that. But it's so cute. I would eventually really like to make these. I have a peacock one that I got last time, and it's really cute. Oh, I love it. It's really adorable. All right, let's check out the yarn. I love this yarn color. It's giving me like lemonade, like strawberry lemonade, pink lemonade, just regular lemonade. Like, it's so cute. All right, pink lemonade, there you go. It's so cute, it's perfect. I really love it. I don't know what I'll use it for, but it's a really cute little vibrant color. It's very soft and squishy. Very cute. And this little tag is going to give you the needle and the hook that you would use with this weight. All right. Here is my booklet. It got a little mashed, but it's okay. You're going to get a booklet in every box. It's going to tell you about the yarn and how it was made. The yarn and the mystery gift. Very cute. The Darn Good Yarn Club. Oh, very cool. So this is how it was made. And I'm guessing this is going to be the pattern that you get with it. Yep, this is the knitting pattern that you get for this yarn. And this is going to be the crochet pattern you get. Very cute, very summery. Love that. All right, well that is going to be my April box. Very cute, very adorable. I am in love with this yarn color. It's so vibrant and pretty. Again, I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I need to find a project for it. And then this, I have no idea when I'm going to make it, but honestly, I would love to make it and just display it somewhere in my craft room. Just have it hanging up near my books or something would be super cute. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I do these every month with my Darn Good Yarn box that comes in. So if you would like to see more of these, go ahead and subscribe, like this video. Let me know what you liked from this box down below. If you'd like to see more from me, you can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Again, at the end of the year, I am going to have a roundup of all these boxes from 2021. So as soon as I have that made, I will have it listed down below. But be sure to subscribe to see that in the future. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.